In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix D3D11 compatible GPU feature level 11.0 shader model 5.0 is required to run the engine. First thing you're going to do is type in device manager, and here you will check your display adapters. Under display adapters, make sure you right click on your graphics cards, disable, and right click again and enable it. After that, you're going to right click and click update driver. And here you will basically search for the best drivers. So if you click here, it will show you the best and most earliest like drivers that you can install. If you click next, it will basically update your drivers, and after that you can just restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. Now if this doesn't fix, then you can go to the next step. Here we're gonna go and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. So once you click here, you're gonna go to advanced, click change, and here you're gonna uncheck on automatically manage, select this one, and then type in 1024 over here. And here you can type in either 20,000 or 30,000. So you can type a range between 20 to 30,000. Or if you want a more accurate number to put, you can simply go here to the folder, go to this PC, right click, properties, and here you will see the number of RAMs you have installed. If you have 32 like I do, then what you're gonna do is simply put that number to calculator. So I'm gonna show you here. You're gonna put 1024 times 32, and you're gonna put this number here. So let me just show you here. 1024 times 32, and here you're gonna find this number. So this is the number that is more accurate if you want to put it down. So if you take this number and put it here, then that would be the most accurate number. After that, you're gonna click set, and then you're gonna click OK and apply and OK. So after you set the settings, you can just restart your computer, and hopefully this should fix your issue.